you need to make an analog clock, there's a function within the built-ins in the functions tab under the time folder called analog. And to make an analog clock, we can basically use a primitive in this function. So what I'm going to do is go into our primitives. I'm going to drag an arrow down here. And within the arrow, we have the option for style 1 and 2, a flat or an arrow. So I'm going to change this to flat. And I'm going to go back into my functions. I'm going to grab this analog function and drag it onto my arrow. And I'm going to click right on the analog function to go into the editor. Not too many options here in the editor. What we do have here in the mode is hour 24, hour 12, minute, second, and off. So if I go ahead and change this to second, you can see what it does is it takes the time from the clock on the computer and it changes this arrow into a second hand. Now as this is rotating, we have the option to turn it on to smooth, and when we do that, it just kind of smooths out the rotation of the arrow. So if I come down here and just copy this container again, I'm going to go into the setting for the analog clock, and we're going to change this one to minute. We're going to copy it one more time, and we'll change this setting to hour. Now you can see how it kind of creates a quick analog clock. There's also an offset, so depending which one that we have, so if we go back into our second here, we can use this offset degree here to set back the time on the seconds or advance the time into seconds. If we do it in the minute hand, we can just simply adjust the offset, and now it adjusts for that too.